Hey everyone, welcome back to The Impeccable Investor. Becoming a millionaire is something that the majority of people dream of while growing up. But the truth is that once they grow up and they find it very difficult to get there. In fact, most of the people give up on their dream of becoming a millionaire and settle for an average job with an average lifestyle. But honestly speaking, becoming a millionaire is not that hard. According to estimates, there are currently 46.8 million millionaires in the world. And each year 3 million new people join the club. Now this is a pretty big number and you can join them as well. All you have to do is to have a plan and work hard at it. Today in this video we will be taking a look at 5 practical steps that can make anyone a millionaire. Now it is important to remember that there are basically countless ways through which you can become a millionaire, and not every millionaire's journey is the same. What might work for one person might not work for others. But still, if you are an average individual looking for a practical way of becoming a millionaire without any miracles or unexpected successes, then this is probably the perfect plan for you. Step 1. Learn a high-paying skill. Well, if you have ever read the life stories of successful millionaires and billionaires, you will know that education has very little to do with how wealthy you become. However, one thing that education definitely equips you with is skills. So if you are in college, plan to go to college, or if you are a college dropout or whatever your current situation is, your first goal should be to develop a high-paying skill. It is important to understand that people get paid for what they can do for others. So if you can create amazing apps, websites, or artworks for someone, and you know how to market yourself properly, you can easily leverage your skills and get high-paying clients. So the first step to becoming a millionaire is to learn a high-paying skill and get good at it. Step 2. Work hard with consistency and focus. Once you have developed a high-paying skill, the next thing that you need to do is to get work. Focus on your work and don't get carried away with any rich-quick schemes. There are literally no get-rich-quick schemes. It takes years of hard work and dedication in order to be able to accumulate huge amounts of wealth. So once you have learned a high-paying skill, simply focus on getting more work. Always provide high-quality work to your clients. No matter what skill or product you are selling, keep working hard for a few years and stay focused. Step 3. Save money. This is probably the biggest reason why many people never get close to becoming millionaires. Even the people who have 6-figure salaries struggle to reach the golden figure of $1 million when it comes to their personal net worth. They never save. Remember that it is not how much you earn, it is how much you save that ultimately determines how much you are worth. So always spend less than what you earn. Ideally, you should be saving at least 20% of your earnings every month. Step 4. Invest money in stock market or real estate or business. The fourth step to becoming a millionaire is to invest what you have saved. Basically, what you want to do is to use your money to make more money. You can do that by investing in stock market, or by investing in real estate, or by creating a business. Obviously, it is less risky to invest in the stock market and real estate than creating a business. But if you are able to create a successful business, it can increase your wealth exponentially. However, if you want to go down a less risky path, then you can invest in blue chip stocks in the stock market or in real estate. According to one statistic, real estate has created more millionaires than any other industry. So it is definitely worth it to invest in real estate. Step 5. Keep reinvesting your money and only take calculated risks. Well, after you've done all the hard work of earning money, saving it, and investing it, all you need to do is to repeat what has worked for you previously. Just keep reinvesting your money every year until you reach the magical figure of $1 million. Only take calculated risks. Don't take any risks that could wipe your wealth and years of hard work. Stay focused, stay consistent, and celebrate your successes after a few years. But once you reach the $1 million mark, don't stop and aim for the next milestone of $10 million. Remember that in today's economy, if you want to be truly financially independent and enjoy a luxurious lifestyle, you will probably need at least $10 to $20 million. We hope you enjoyed this guide to becoming a millionaire. Do share it with your friends and family whom you care about. It is the much needed financial education that you will not get anywhere else. Do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon as well for more valuable videos. We will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.